Welcome! In this video, I'll show you exactly how to mark a post as not interested on your Facebook page using the PC app following the brand new update. If you want more control over what shows up on your page, or just want to tidy up your feed, these simple steps will help you curate your content effortlessly. Let's dive right in. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. You can do this by clicking the Start menu, searching for Facebook, and opening the app from there. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your main feed and side menu. Next, scroll through your page or visit your own profile to find the specific post you want to adjust. This might be a post that doesn't interest you, or maybe it's something you'd rather not see among your updates. Take your time and scroll until you spot the post from your page that you want to mark as not interested. When you've found the post, you'll notice 3 small dots in the upper right corner of that post. Hover your mouse over these dots. A quick menu will pop up. Clicking on these 3 dots will reveal several options designed to help you manage your Facebook experience better. In the Options menu, look for the choice labeled Not Interested. Clicking this tells Facebook that you don't want to interact with similar content or see these kinds of posts in your feed anymore. This action immediately customizes your page's content to fit your preferences and signals to Facebook that you want fewer posts like that one. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can personalize your Facebook page, making it more relevant and enjoyable for you. Remember, regularly curating your feed can help keep your page fresh and aligned with your interests. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other tutorials for more social media tips. Thanks for watching.